Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm gonna share tutorial of new TikTok trend called You and Me. Advanced result. Get your clips ready. Click on first clip and go to animation and select shake zoom. Duration 1.5 second. Now go to second clip, go to animation and select cross shake. Duration 0.3 sec. Apply this animation to all the rest clips. Now go to video effects. Go to nightclub and select camera shake. Range 10 and speed 20. Expand the effect to whole video. Now again go to nightclub effects and select throb. Filter 0, glow 20, intensity 50 and range 15. Now bring the pointer to second clip and go to video effect. Select pulse. Set speed 100. Bring it between first and second clip. And copy it. Now save this much to your storage. After the process is done, come back to the same project. Add the video we just saved. Trim at the starting clip. Then also trim out the extra part from end. Bring the pointer where last clip is about to end and add a white overlay. Zoom to fit into the frame. Shorten the overlay. Go to animation and select ripple for an end duration 0.5 sec. Then go to out and again select ripple duration 1.1 sec. And we're done. Save your video.